Good morning, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Today, Wednesday, and your girl is at Aldi, and I'm on live with Sneeko. As y'all do see, it's probably a glare. I have my yeah, there she is. Me and Sneeko is on live. I probably should have did it like that so I could really see. So yeah, I'm finna go in Aldi's, and Sneeko has reported that there is a major problem with the luxury candles, the Jo Malone dupes. Oh my God, it is so heartbreaking. But we finna go in here and see. I'm gonna stay on live with Sneeko while I do this, and I'm just gonna do my normal thing that I always do in my videos. Y'all already know. So let's get this one started. But first, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's been riding with your girl, watching everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthrough, sip and chat. If you're doing all that and following your girl on Instagram and following or using my hashtag Kimble Litwicks or Kimble Litwick, you are my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Let's head in here. Let's head in here and see what's going on. Okay, you know. Okay, y'all, the whole time I was on the phone with Sneeko on her Instagram live, I was so excited to see these candles, but highly disappointed that the candles was not full. Oh my goodness, it was just heartbreaking. But these candles don't come out that often, so I did grab a few. The lids are so hard to remove, and I know I'm looking kind of crazy right here, y'all, but be careful when you try to open these jars. The lids are really hard to open. I couldn't even get that one open. I had to just grab a different one. So yeah, be careful. I'm not sure about those lids. I'm really not. So I just grabbed another one. As you do see, the candle is not full. It's a 2-wick candle, super long wicks, but that was heartbreaking. As you see, this yellow one is really low. It was really heartbreaking because I was so excited for these luxury candles. Well, y'all know we call them Jo Malones, but I was excited for these candles, and I really wanted to buy a number of backups, but with them being so low, I'm gonna wait. And then this coffee collection, I only bought one of those, but I do like the packaging. And as y'all do see with the wax, some of them, they're not full either. This is the luxury box, the gift box candles. Super nice. I love that collection, but these candles are $6. So I only picked one. I'll probably wait on this collection. Hopefully they mark them down a little bit. Who knows? But as y'all do, I mean, I'm not doing my video like I normally do because the whole time I was on the phone with Sneeko. Yeah, she was on Instagram live, and we were just kind of talking about the candles, the whole collection, how the candle wax is different on all of the candles. The luxury gift box candles is the best pick for this week. If you want to go off of the level, how much wax is inside the candles, the luxury gift box candles is the way to go. I started to buy these double wall glass espresso cups or coffee mugs, but I feel like they'll be a little bit cheaper at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Again, I'm still on the phone with Sneeko. We still in her live, and we were talking about these robes. I think this robe is almost like Skims, but I passed. $14.99. If they mark it down, I probably would grab one. But one thing you must be aware of is their sizing. Okay, y'all, I'm back out the store, and you know your girl grabbed some more of this popcorn. Oh my goodness. Whew, told y'all, this popcorn, you'll be hooked. I'm just saying, it is so good. And it's only $2.88. You can buy the bigger bags at Sam's or Costco's, and I think it's like $5, I believe. $2.88 ain't bad. And then I bought my son some more of this candy, because every time I come to Aldi, I try to grab him some of this because he loves this candy. This is his favorite. These Mambos is his favorite. Now, the issue with the candles is so heartbreaking. But I will say this. Even though the candles, there is an issue with the candles, I still highly recommend everybody grab at least one of each. Because we do know that these candles sell out fast. I have this in my ear, that's why I'm screaming, sorry. We do know that these candles sell out fast and you don't want to miss out. So I just recommend everybody just grab one of each. If they hang around and nobody's buying them, eventually they'll mark them down and we could then buy backups. But so you don't miss out, grab at least one. It's heartbreaking. It is so heartbreaking, the fact that they did not fill the candles. And also be careful, some of these lids is super hard to get off. I couldn't even get them off. They're so tight. This is number 7. Number 7, white. What is this stuff on here? Really? White sage and sea salt. White sage and sea salt. It's nice. I like it. Don't get me wrong. I love these luxury number candles. They never disappoint, but they are 2-wick candles. It's just, they just missed the ball with this. And then the wax look a little weird in there. I hate that they playing us like this, y'all. I really, really do. No scent notes on the bottom. Y'all know they never do this. They never put scent notes on the bottom. And I'm gonna just chuck this up and say that these were poured October 13th, 2021. That's what the date says on the bottom. If you don't know, Aldi do put the date on some of their candles, but normally it's just the year. But this time, I'm assuming that this is October 13th, 21. Because it's 10/13/21. So I'm gonna say that that's when this one was poured. But again, they're only half filled. They don't even come all the way up to the label. The next one is vanilla coconut and golden Bailey, or barley, sorry. So yes, that's what this one is. And the pour on this is October 15th, 2021. As you see, there's no scent notes on the bottom, but that's the date. And again, this one only comes up to about right here, just right below the label. I don't know if y'all could see that. And again, the lids are super, super hard to get off. I don't even know if y'all could see that, but you probably can on this one. They're not full at all. And I'll do a comparison when I get home, compare it to my other ones that I bought. Ooh, most definitely get that coconut and the vanilla scent note. Nice, super nice, super nice. Number 6, that's number 6. Number 5 is black tea and grapefruit. Black tea and grapefruit. This one look, no, it's the same. Black tea and grapefruit. Again, the wax pour is so weird. It looks so weird on the inside. This one most definitely is strong, but I could tell I could be one and done with this one. I most definitely get that black tea note. Yeah, most definitely could be one and done with this one because I smell it and I don't really like that smell. Okay, this one was October 5th, 2021. That's the date of the pour. And again, it is not filled up. And that is number 5. Number 8. Now, out of all of them, I think this one has a little bit more than all the other ones because this one actually comes up to the top of the label. And I don't even know if you can see that. But this has a little bit more. And this one was poured October 9th, 2021. That's the date on the bottom. This is nice. Most definitely smell that sweet agave. This one is cool. But I'm just so heartbroken at the fact that they're not full. Because normally they be way up here, way at the top, as you will see with the other ones. Now, I grabbed this one. These are the same luxury candles, but in the gift boxes. And this is peppered vanilla and cashmere. Look at the box. I mean the jar. It has that same look almost as this. And maybe it look almost the same because it's trimmed in that gold with the front label. But look how full these are. The gift candles. And these are $6. And it comes with the gift box. But the lids are loose. The lids is loose. It stay on, but it's super loose. Ooh, this smells good. 2-wick candle. All the other ones was 2 wicks as well. I don't know if I said that, but yeah. And this one actually came in 3 other scents, but I decided to just grab this one. If they mark them down, I most definitely will grab some more. This does not have a date on the bottom. No date, no scent notes. So yeah, so that was that, $6. This box is really, really nice. And if you want to give a gift for someone, this is the way to go. I love when Aldi do the candles in this gift box. Super nice. And you're gonna pay that. You're gonna pay that gift box price. I think it's an extra $1, I think. So yeah, got that one. And the last one I got is the peach bourbon. It is not full, but I don't think they could fill these all the way up because of the actual lid. The actual lid is like a wood lid. And this is with the coffee collection. So yeah, and I think these were $5, I think. I forgot the price point. $4 or $5. No scent notes. This was poured September 25th, 2021. September 25th, 21. So yeah, very much peach candle, but the wick look crazy. And it's like a brown colored wax. As you see, all the other ones had a cream color wax, but this is more brown because it's supposed to be a part of that coffee collection. It doesn't smell like coffee. To me, you smell peach. I don't really get like that bourbon. I'm getting more of a peach note. So this is the only one I got out of this collection. I more than likely will go back and get that vanilla, but I'm gonna do that next week because as y'all do know, Bath & Body Works is gonna have an amazing sale this weekend. So I kind of want to save some of my money for that sale. So I feel like Aldi kind of played themselves. And quite naturally, no, they don't know that Bath & Body Works is going to have a sale. But I'm kind of happy because I didn't spend as much money as I was going to spend in the store. Because I was really going to rack up on these candles because I love these candles. These candles are so, so nice. And they Joe Malone dupes. Not really Joe Malone dupes, but we like to compare them to Joe Malone because they have the look. They have that Joe Malone look. So I like these candles. They do amazing on the warmer. So I was really, really, really going to load up on these candles. So they just saved me some money. So I'm just going to sit and I'm going to wait. And hopefully these candles stick around long enough where they need to mark them down. That's gonna be it. Leave in the comments, let me know, is this a pass week for you? Are you gonna buy any of these candles even though they're not full? Or are you gonna wait and cross your fingers that they mark them down? Leave that in the comments. Let me know, are you gonna shop at the Bath & Body Works sale this weekend? Leave that in the comments. And also, out of all of these, I almost dropped it. Out of all of these candles, which one is the pick for you? You know what? I can't even pick because I'm so I'm so pissed. I can't even pick. These lids is horrible. To me, this one kind of giving me popcorn a little bit. Just on a quick sniff, it's giving me popcorn. I don't know why, but it is. I can't even pick which one is my favorite. I can't even pick. I'm just happy to get any of them. So yeah, what is your pick? Is this a pass or skip week for you? Don't forget to leave comments, thumbs up the video, follow me on all of my social media. Also subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.